I want to ask Mr. President Trump to stop this war, please. Hello, everyone. My name is Fresik, and I live in Erbil. So I wanted to tell you that the recent war that has been happening in this region has had a very bad impact on the children's here. So we haven't been going to school because of this situation. We have been doing online classes, which we're not really well known of because we're just like new starting the online classes. So it's been a mess for all of the students. We don't get the program and all those things. So not just only us, children's around the country that has been affected by this war too has been facing the same problems. So that's why therefore, I want to ask Mr. President Trump to stop this war, please, for our safety, for the kids' safety, for the children's safety, and for our education and future too. I will ask Iran to stop this war too because of our education. Yeah, and I want both sides to think about peace, because with peace, the children can serve their country in the future. Thank you.